Credit Karma versus Experian Best Credit Monitoring App. Are you trying to stay on top of your credit? Whether you're applying for a loan, credit card, or want to boost your financial health, credit monitoring is key. Two giants stand out in this space called Credit Karma and Experian. But which one actually gives you the most accurate insights, the best features, and real value? In this video, we'll break it all down. From how they work, to features, pricing, accuracy, and who each app is best for. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below. So make sure to check it out. And so, the first thing that I want to talk about is what are Credit Karma and Experian. Credit Karma is a free personal finance app that helps you monitor your credit scores, manage credit cards, and find personalized financial offers. Experian, on the other hand, is one of the three major credit bureaus. Their application gives you direct access to your Experian credit file, plus tools to improve and protect your credit. So, Credit Karma aggregates data and offers recommendation, while Experian gives you deeper access to its own proprietary data. From there, let's talk about the signing up process and getting started. Basically, both applications are available for iOS and Android, and also on your web browser. They make the sign up process fairly easy. Credit Karma, after creating your account, you answer a few identity questions, and then boom, you're inside with access to TransUnion and Equifax credit scores. Now for Experian, it requires a similar verification process, but once you're in, you'll get your FICO score, which many lenders actually use to make credit decision. And so, if you want access or quick access to your credit health for free, both works well. But Experian gives you access to FICO which is a major plus. Now, let's navigate through one of the most important aspects, which is going to be their credit score monitoring. Now, on Credit Karma, they offer VantageScore 3.0 from TransUnion and Equifax. They update your score weekly. And lastly, they send alerts for credit report and changes. Now, on Experian, once again, they provide FICO Score 8. This is the version used by 90% of lenders. The score updates every 30 days, once again every month, which is for the free version, or daily with the paid plan on Experian. And they offer Experian Boost, which adds on-time utility and phone payment to your credit file. And so if you're serious about lending accuracy, Experian's FICO score takes the lead. Now, we then have to talk about the free versus paid plans on both applications. Now for Credit Karma, their application right here is completely 100% free. They make money from recommendation and partner referrals. And lastly, they have no paid tiers because they are 100% free. Now for Experian, they have a free version that includes Experian credit report and FICO scores. They also have paid plan which starts around $25 a month for 3 bureau monitoring, identity protection, and daily updates. So if you want all-in-one credit coverage, Experian gives you more but for a cost, and that is going to be $25 a month. Now let's talk about the credit or the security and identity protection. So with Credit Karma, they use 128-bit encryption and secure logins. They offer some fraud alerts but no ID theft insurance. For Experian, they are more advanced, or they offer more advanced protection with the paid users or paid tiers. They include dark web monitoring, ID theft insurance, and SSN tracking. You also have the ability to freeze and unfreeze your Experian credit file directly from the application. So for those worried about identity theft, Experian offer a stronger tool to stop those kind of things. And of course, we then have the app features and tools. For Credit Karma, they have personalized credit card and loan recommendation. They have credit score simulation tools. And lastly, they have credit builder and tax filing integration, because once again, one of their platforms right here or their partner programs is going to be TurboTax and Equifax. From there, we then have Experian. The app features is going to be the Experian Boost, which adds utility payments to improve your credit. You also have Score Planner, which helps estimate your future credit. And lastly, you have Comprehensive Credit Lock and Fraud Resolution Report. Both applications are powerful, but Credit Karma leans more on financial tools, while Experian is more credit depth focused. Now, let's talk about the accuracy and real-world use. Credit Karma scores are VantageScore, which may be close to FICO, but many lenders don't use them. Experian gives you FICO scores that lenders actually rely on. So if you're applying for a mortgage or car loan, Experian is likely showing the actual scores they'll see. So if you're using the application to just censor credit, either one is okay. But if you want lender level accuracy, you then want to go for Experian. And so guys, who should go ahead and use which application? You want to use Experian if you're preparing for a major loan or mortgage. If you want the FICO score lenders use, once again, 90% of lenders use this. And lastly, if you need serious identity protection tools. Now, you want to pick Credit Karma if you want a free application with no monthly fees. If you want to explore credit offers, simulate changes, and get weekly updates. And lastly, if you prefer lightweight experience. And so, which is the best credit monitoring application? Let's go ahead and summarize. Basically, for casual credit tracking and financial tools, Credit Karma is excellent and completely free, so that will do the job. Now for accurate scores, robust identity protection, and deeper insights, Experian is worth the investment. And so guys, let us know in the comments, which one are you trying to use this year? Once again, the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out to go ahead and get some bonuses and discounts on your preferred platform. And so let us know in the comments below, which one are you using this year? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more personal finance breakdown. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.